Welcome to our tutorial on how to share files and folders on OneDrive. OneDrive is a cloud storage service from Microsoft that allows you to store files online. It's like having a hard drive in the cloud. Let's start by logging into your OneDrive account. Once you're in, you'll see all your stored files and folders. OneDrive's interface is pretty user-friendly, so don't worry if you're new to this. Now, let's say you want to share a file or a folder. Simply locate the file or folder you want to share, then right-click on it. A context menu will appear with a list of options. Look for the option that says Share and click on it. A new window will pop up. Here, you can choose who you want to share the file or folder with. You can enter their email addresses, or if they're already in your contacts, you can simply type in their names. After you've chosen who to share with, you can decide what permissions they have. You can allow them to view and edit the file or folder, or you can restrict them to viewing only. It's all up to you. Once you're done, just hit the Send button. The people you've shared with will receive an email with a link to the file or folder. And that's it. You've just learned how to share files and folders on OneDrive. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Remember, OneDrive is a powerful tool for storing and sharing files. Use it wisely, and it can make your life a lot easier. Stay tuned for more OneDrive tips and tricks.